Hello, today we are going to solve one question from WBCS General Studies paper 3. So let's see what is in this question. The royal ritual of Jharuka Darshan was introduced by Mughal Emperor Akbar or Shah Jahan or Aurangzeb or Bahadur Shah. So we need to find the right answer among these given four options. Here we just not only give you the right answer but also try to give a small description about the answer. So let's start with it. Jharuka Darshan was a daily practice of addressing the public audience, or darshan at the balcony, which is Jharuka. At the forts and palaces of medieval kings of India. Okay, it was an essential and direct way of communicating face to face with the public and was a practice which was adopted by and was a practice which was adopted by the Mughal empires. The balcony appearance in the same is the in the name of Jharuka Darshan. The balcony appearance in the name of Jharuka Darshan also spelled Jharukai Darshan was adopted by the 16th century Mughal Emperor Akbar. 16th century Mughal Emperor Akbar. Okay, therefore the right answer is the option 1. So we have answered this question successfully, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.